So this is my first run of the demonstration of my completed iBooks Prospecting to the Top I did with iBooks Author. And the screenshot you see here is the library of iBooks, which I only have one. So I tap the proof and open pops the Leader's Guide to the table of contents. And you'll see on the right hand side there's the different sections, and those are hyperlinks. Well, a real easy way to navigate through this book using the iPad is just tapping one of the sections when you want to jump to that, and it should open as I touched section 3. So here's the first page of section 3, and you notice it looks just like the Leader's Guide with the icons down the left, and the left side of the page is shaded because those are the leader's notes with different icons in the margin that give instructions to the facilitator on the text that's in that area. On the right is the participant workbook, and there's areas where, as I tap through here, where there might be filling in the blanks, which will give answers to the fill in the blanks in blue. You can see that here on this page up in the value proposition definition on the right here, with the blanks filled in blue. One you can see I'm pretty easy to navigate through. If some print's small, the facilitator could zoom in with his fingers just to make sure you can see it. That's a nice feature. And then you see there's areas, of course, in all these iBooks you can double tap an area, highlight it, and insert notes as the keyboard pops up, and put a note in there, and it shows up as a highlighted note, which while you're talking you could touch this note on the left and up comes your note. So I can easily add these and take them away, delete that note, and move on. So each of those pages, you see how they work. Areas where any place you could fill in, take notes, highlight for your own benefit. And one real cool little addition I have here is on this page we have a pretty in-depth modeling that takes place when the business impact conversation is discussed, and it's a challenge to have the quantification. So this page here, I've got an audio embedded with Steve Patterson, and I think that's kind of cool that the facilitator could touch this and
clients to quantify the results, meaning get them to give you a percentage figure or dollar figure about how much the results and benefits meant to them and their company.
The audio plays as long as you stay on this page. If you navigate off to the next page, that closes down, but it could conceivably be played back, and I'm going to put some more of these on other pages where we've added some audio, or at least have some trainer audio available for those different concepts. So you just navigate back,
Know that they really like Verizon, but they
get back to where you left off.
How much? You think about that?
This could even be played if you had speakers hooked up, I think, to the iPad. I think you could have some audio for the participants to listen to. So just an idea. If you wanted to go back, this is kind of neat. Maybe you wanted to flip back to another page. Each of the page numbers are along the bottom for different sections, and all you do is touch to bring up a different section, pinch it back down. In the front, the very first page, are some notes for the leader. Pretty easy getting around, right on to the appendix. And the only thing it's missing is handouts, which are difficult to print from here, but as you give the copies of the Leader's Guide, they've got the hard copy in the back. So there's my demonstration. I think this has worked out pretty nicely. I'm trying to get back to my library here, and my touching skills aren't too good. Anyway, there you go.